Dutch flag ship owner. We have very good news for Dutch flag ship owners. Panama has just been accepted the certificates of the officers for the Dutch flag endorsements. So this is huge news. We hope that Europe one day, 26 chickens with no head, will start thinking about, how about Panama, Venezuela, Cuba, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Ecuador, Colombia, Peru, Brazil, Argentina, and so on, so on, so on. These 40,000 officers in America, and Europe is looking to Asia, always looking to Mars, looking to inflation, looking to, well, where are these 26 chickens with no head looking? Well, they don't have eyes, do they? Therefore, it's a huge opportunity now because there is direct flights from Panama to Amsterdam. It's a huge planes, and so it's a huge opportunity. The shortage of the ASEAN crew will be huge in the short, medium, and long term. So we have this opportunity to look closer. So let's look closer. Yes, closer. America is closer than Asia. Okay. Therefore, why are we looking at training and investing whilst we have now this huge crisis? Perhaps now we can look with better eyes. We don't need the glasses. We have a head, yeah. And the Dutch owners think about Candina because we have a huge solutions. There is many other solutions that we could tailor-make for Dutch ship owners that have a long history in shipping, like Bilbao, Candina, a Spanish company, long history, 126 years providing solutions. So we did write the first Filipino contracts 70 years ago. No one has amended any paragraphs, columns, discounts, and so on. And it is an opportunity today to disrupt, think, and open this Trojan window for the Dutch ship owners, yes, before the rest of the managers from Asia will take over your fleet like they have been doing. So adapt and contact Candina because this tsunami is here to stay, and perhaps now we can really think that, oh, America is closer. Let's get solutions. Thank you. Bye.